Hi, everyone, and welcome to Steel Cod Spotlight, where we get real insights from experts in and around the appliance industry. Today, we're joined by Jiji Mathew, who is the CEO and founder of Vezeni. Jiji, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So, we like to start every show by getting to know our guests a little better. So, if you please tell us about yourself and specifically how you got into appliances.
Well, I have been a real estate developer for the past 25 years. We build very high-end homes. So it's always in my mind that kitchen, since the kitchen and the baths are the main factors of the house, how can I improvise that? So we started experimenting, multiple things and finally end up with appliances. We very customized appliances and putting into these homes, and people and the buyers started loving it. So I thought, I could make a business out of it. That's a true story about it. That's how it's all started.
Wow, what a great entrance into that. So when I was selling appliances, I was in the Boston area selling in high-end kitchens the same way. So you were actually developing the homes and saw appliances are a key. What a great kind of keep your ear to the ground, see where opportunities are, that entrepreneurial spirit. So that's great to hear. So I'm excited to learn more as time goes on in this interview. So Jiji,
Thank you.
with Steel Cod Spotlight, we like to talk to individual audiences that appliances are important for. And we're going to welcome in an audience of what we call pre-sales influencers. So these are designers, architects, cabinet planners, those that are working with customers on projects that really need to help them shape the project with their appliances. So earlier you told me that was really kind of how Vezeni was born, because you were one in this category. So if you can kind of tell me how you recommend Vezeni kind of is a consideration for builders and designers as a newer product. How should they present it to their clients?
Quality. I always believe in the quality. We worked with some people from New York. We flew. They were very conflicted about whether we should put it or not. We flew them to our warehouse, showed them the product. If there is enough quantity around, like there's 10 houses or 20 houses, we'll fly the people in, the designers in, show the entire product line. That feel, demonstrate. So we have done that multiple times, and they were end up buying our product.
That's great. Being really proactive with designers, especially saying, we want to
Absolutely.
be a
Absolutely.
consideration.
And we have a great program for them as well. And a lot of times the dealers, the designers come through the dealers, then they have get them the dealer discount and stuff like that. But somebody comes in directly, so we have a special program for them as well.
Can you tell us a little about that program?
So we work in two ways. So if the designer come from the area where we already have a dealer, we suggest them to go through the dealer. Then we give additional discount from the dealers and the distributor, because we don't want to. We are very much conscious about keeping the MSRP in, either if it is in online or in the brick and mortar. We always very cautious about that, protect the dealers as well. So if they come directly, if there is no conflict, we give them additional good amount of discount, which we cannot get anywhere else. So, but we make sure there is no dealer conflict out there. If the big company comes to us, then yes, we do. We have special programs there.
That's
I don't
great.
want to just say the percentage, but it's very healthy. Very healthy program.
That's excellent. And and each hand has to watch the other in terms of how the relationships with dealers and designers.
Absolutely.
For sure. That's great. So with this designer audience, they're thinking new product. They want to know how it's going to fit into the look and feel of the kitchens that they're creating. So can you talk a little about how Vezeni is designed around lots of different types of kitchen designs?
Yes. So far we have done multiple modern kitchens. I mean, it fits right well. It's not like it's extremely traditional, like in the 1960s or something, but it has both elements. Very modern in the hood range and the wall ovens and all the kind of stuff. Even the dishwasher. So it has a very modern acoustic to it as well. Not just so it's kind of blending in all. We have done many log cabins. I mean, it's fit perfectly. And high-rise apartment, high-end, very modern apartment buildings, fits right well. And same product. It's just kind of, it's mixed with all. And especially, if somebody is looking for absolute modern stuff, then we have Janska Sweden out there. So that's what we're going to take these two products and show what they want. When it comes to builder community, a designer community, they have an option for both the brands. If you want to, look at a little bit of traditional and with the modern, or you want ultra modern, we have both.
That's excellent. And that's what designers are looking for. And often designers are looking
Yeah,
for not something that fits, maybe something that sets them apart even a little bit. So I think that's huge to give them those options when they have clients. They're like, take me outside the box a little bit, or you're leaning modern a little bit. Vezeni has
absolutely.
options for them.
Absolutely.
That's
Absolutely, we do.
excellent. So Gigi, before you go, we have three final questions for you. So my first question for you is, what is your dream appliance, whether it's one you've had in the past, one you have now, or one you hope to have in the future?
Well, before my business, I had a very good 48-inch stove. I'm not going to name them, very high end, high brand. Had some issues, but then when I started my own product, that's what I have in my kitchen. I mean, that's one of the best products I've ever had.
So you're very happy with your Vezeni 48-inch range. Is that
Exactly.
one of the models with the walk burner?
Yes, that's the one with every product that before introduced to market, I keep in my kitchen. I test them for a year or year and a half before even we sell to the customer. So we test it even in the warehouse as well. We have testing. We do it for a year. Even we have new lines coming out. It's in the testing for the last 8-9 months. So we're going to introduce that in the spring. So it's been on the test for like 8 to 9 months. Even we have a new dishwasher. I mean, washing stuff coming in. This has been in test. All the new products, all the products that we're going to introduce in 2027 is also going under testing now. So
That's great.
we make
So
sure, yes.
in your range, in your 48-inch range, what's your favorite feature?
I think aesthetics, the lights and the knob is so beautiful. I'm not I cook all the time, but
Yeah,
it's so beautiful to see at night, to be very honest with you. Other than it's made phenomenal cooking. I mean, wok burner's awesome and oven is awesome, but the look of it, it's just amazing. And every day I look at it, I say, wow, this is a good stuff. That's the same reaction we get from the consumers as well. Well, this looks very nice, something unique, something nice, quality. You know, that's what makes me happy, to
that's
be
a great
honest.
answer. And that's really important. That should not be underplayed. The aesthetics are huge for these appliances. So
Very much
that's
so.
awesome. So my next question for you is, what is the best professional advice you have ever received?
This is probably apart from my the appliance business, but I implement this in the appliance business or any business that I do. When I was a young builder in the Bay Area, I had a mentor. Said, just don't build anything for you. You know, just build for the consumer. Keep the consumer in your mind. You will be successful. You will build a great product. Whatever you build. So I always think about that, and that is my theory. That's what I do. That's what I follow by.
That's a great
Always
tip.
build things for the consumer, and think about how easy for them, how durable it is. Think about from a consumer standpoint. What questions, what problems can come, sort it out, so you create a beautiful product. That's my personal opinion.
That's huge. So let's take a moment now. And actually, you mentioned to a few of our audiences about in 2026, the new business relationships that are coming. Can you tell us a little more about that?
Yes. Like I said, this company called Janska, Sweden. They are currently they're in big big box stores. They do a pretty good amount of business. Very very well good quality that I see out there in the e-com arena. And I know he's one of my good friends. He's my friend for the last 25 years. So he's the only person that I know that same thought process. How do we build this? How quality, how the consumer. So in the last 6 months, we thought, hey, why not we do this together? You are completely doing a different line of product, European line. Why don't we do it together? It's going to make a big company, for the consumer, it'll be a great advantage. They don't have to go anywhere else to look for a European style or American style or anything else. We have everything within our company. And Janska is mainly focusing on European style high-end appliances. It'll be very ultra modern product.
That's very exciting. I really look forward to learning more about that, seeing more about
Sure.
the offerings as the companies work together. So I think that's really exciting for incoming in 2026. All right. So my last question for you is, how can people follow or connect with you online?
Um, as you know, it's Vezeni.com or at Vezeni Home is our Instagram and all of the handles at Vezeni Home.
Great. And we're putting that all in the footer right here so people can see where to follow you. So Jiji, thank you so much for your time today. Really appreciate your thoughts and your insights, and very excited about to see where Vezeni goes in the coming years. So thank you for joining us today. And thank you for watching us on this episode of Steel Cod Spotlight. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.